working at 1 Canada Square won't look like
This.
or this.
Or this. 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 This.
Or this.
It won't be all Art Deco or 60s Mad Men.
It won't have an original 19th century marble staircase. Or the buzz of a startup in the perfect place to start up.
That's because we know that whatever you do,
You want to do it in your own unique way.
which is why every one of our buildings is as different as you are.
So you can find the one that's right for you and your business.
And why from now, our choice of over 40 different locations will include Canary Wharf.
And what will it look like?
Just like every other workplace Tog has ever created before.
Totally different.
One Canada Square.
Ready to work somewhere different?